Hello friends, so our before lecture of the genetic engineering in the unit second we are already discussed the DNA library. Okay, so today's lecture we are discussing the screening of recombinant. So today's we are discussing the screening of recombinant. Last but most important steps for the gene cloning work is identification of the recombinant clones. The gene cloning works is the identification of recombinant clones. जेव्हा आपण एखादं क्लोनिंग करतो, the simple meaning is that we are the produce the extra copies of the particular gene, or other is that the transformation of that the gene into the one organism to the another organisms, or to the alteration of that the genetic effect on that organism also or other organisms are also. In this the procedure, so we are the expression of the gene, it is a main and the important for their the recombinant process. समजा एखादं जीन आपण एखादा दुसऱ्या टार्गेट ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये इन्सर्ट केला तर आपल्याला फक्त इन्सर्ट करणं हेच गरजेचं नाही आहे ना, कारण की ते इन्सर्ट केल्याच्या नंतर त्या जीनचं एक्सप्रेशन झाल्याच्या नंतर त्याचा प्रोडक्ट इट इज अ इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर टू द आवर इंटरेस्टिंग पॉईंट. ओनली फॉर द insertion it is not sufficient. After the insertion it is a target gene, it is express or the not express, means that its products are produced or not produced, it is important for to the related to the recombinant DNA technology. Okay, the screening it is a most important techniques for their recombination. It is a recombinant organisms, it is a produced or the not produced, it is a confirmed through the screening process. There are the various different type of the screening technologies are the using for their identification. Okay, एखादं जीन त्याचं प्रोडक्ट जेव्हा त्याचं रिप्लिकेशन होईल, त्याचं ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन होईल, त्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन होईल, जेव्हा त्याचं प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म होईल, एखादं फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादं अँटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टंट जीन असेल, सपोज इन दिस द वन ऑर्गॅनिझम द अँटीबायोटिक जीन्स आर not available, but in the another organism these the antibiotic resistant genes are the available, and we are transferring this the antibiotic resistant gene to the antibiotic sensitive organism. After the result, so okay, the recombinant it is a form, it results means that the sensitive strain are the resistant to that the antibiotic. It is a recombinant DNA technology. In the recombinant DNA technology, screening of the recombinant it is important for their confirmation of that the recombinants are the confirm. We are using our the different techniques and the different molecular strategies. Okay. Methods of screening, it is depends upon the to detect the proteins. It is important is that to detect the proteins, to detect the enzymes, to detect the proteins, to detect the enzymes, to detect the RNA, to detect the RNA, and to detect the DNA sequence. To detect the DNA sequence. So how we are screening? So in this the screening we are the in this the four strategies are applying for the confirmation of that the recombinant it is a confirm, that is that to detect the proteins. Okay, in this after the transformation of that the gene, in this the gene the transcription and the translation, after that the product it is a form, in the product it is a form in the form of the proteins, it is a confirmatory trace for the recombination is a recombinant, it is a confirm. Another is that to detect the enzyme, in this the various enzymes are the produced through the after there the expression of that the gene, it is also important for the screening of the recombinant. Another is that to detect the RNA, in this the RNA it is a main and the important is that the transcription, after the transcription product, in this after the transcription there the translation processes are the occurred. In this the to detect the RNA, it is a confirmation is that the recombinant of that the transfer of the gene, it is a confirm that it means that the transcription process is obtained. After the transcription, then the translation it is also occur in the all the organism for their various purposes like the protein synthesis, okay, like the enzyme synthesis. Next is that to detect the DNA sequences. To detect the DNA sequences, it is also important for the screening of the recombinant. In this, the wild type of the organism, the DNA sequence of that the wild type of the organism, it is a different than to the transformation of that the gene to the target organism. The DNA sequence is a slightly changes. It is a confirmatory test for their identification of the screening of the recombinant is a possible. Okay. Here is a main and the important points to detect the screening of the recombinant identifications. The list of the various techniques which may be used the identification of the recombinant are the follows. There are the various techniques are the available into the molecular laboratory for their the identification of that the recombinant is as follows. What is these are the techniques? The first technique is that the genetic method. We are already discussed in this the screening of the recombinants, the detection of the protein, detection of the enzymes, detection of the RNA, detection of the DNA. It is a strategies for their confirmation of that the transfer of this the genetic material into that the target organism. It is a confirm. There are the various techniques of the screening of the recombinants. They are the available in the molecular laboratories. They are discussing the one by one in this the lecture. Okay, genetic methods. According to the meaning, it is a confirmation that the genetically study. It is a genetically study according to the various sequencing method. In this the sequencing method, in this the wild type of the organism. Suppose, for example, it is an organism. It is a wild type. It is a suppose it is a sequence normally is at the ATGC Okay. After this the transformation to the some foreign DNA. After the transformation of the foreign DNA, the DNA it is inserted into that the wild type of the organism genomes. After their transformation, there are the transcription and the translation process are occur and the product is a form. But before this the product formation, in this some genes are the integrated into that the wild type of the chromosome, but it not expressed. In this the type of the expression. In this the screening of this genetic method, in this the suppose after the transformation of the foreign DNA, it is a sequencing we are studying. In this the sequencing ATGCTTATCCG. Here is a new sequence. जेव्हा आपण हे ट्रान्सफर केलं त्याच्यामध्ये तेव्हा वाइल्ड टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिझमचा सिक्वेन्स कसा होता ATGCTTCG. But after the transformation, this is the mutant type of the organism. It contains the extra sequences. It is means that the confirmation is that the transfer of the target DNA sequence is confirmed because that are the integrated into the wild type of the organism is converted into the mutated organisms. Okay, these are the genetic study. Genetic study it is means that we are studying the gene. Genetical study means the study of that the sequence of that the genetic material. It also the DNA also the RNA also. In the some organisms the DNA is a genetic material, in the some organism is the RNA as a genetic material. But after the transformation, that the wild type of the organisms the gene sequence are the different. After the transformation of the target sequence of the genetic material are the different. Means the study of the genetic method. It is a genetic method to screening of the recombinant into that the organisms. Then to the next method is that the immunochemical method. Next method is that the immunochemical method. According to the meaning, the screening technology through the immunochemical compound that are the produce the organism, it is the confirmed that the organism is a recombinant. In these the organisms, suppose in this it is a wild type of the organism, and in this we are adding the foreign DNA, and the foreign DNA are the integrated into the host chromosome. The replication of that the foreign DNA are occurred in the wild type of the organism. So in this the organism त्याच्यामध्ये जो त्याचा होस्टचा जो DNA असेल त्याच्यासोबत जो आपण फॉरेन DNA ट्रान्सफर केला तो त्याचा रिकॉम्बिनेशन झालं. रिकॉम्बिनेशन होऊन त्याचं रिप्लिकेशन होऊन ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन आणि ट्रान्सलेशन होऊन मग काय होणार, त्याच्यात प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होणार. इन दिस द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन देअर द प्रोडक्ट आर फॉर्म द इंट्रासेल्युलर or the extracellular. In this the immunological test the product are produced the outside of the cell. In this the type, so we are designing the some antigen antibody reaction. We are know the antigen antibody reaction, some epitopes and the paratopes interaction. It gives the agglutination type of the reaction for their observed to the naked eyes. In this type of the organisms, some organisms are the inserted. Suppose एक organism आहे, तो काय करतोय, एखादं अँटीबॉडी प्रोड्यूस करतो. सपोज तो IgG टाइप ऑफ द अँटीबॉडी प्रोड्यूस करतो. इन दिस द वाइल्ड टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिझम वी आर ॲडिंग द धिस टाइप ऑफ द अँटीबॉडी प्रोड्यूसिंग जीन इनसाइड. आफ्टर द रिकॉम्बिनेशन द जीन आर द एक्सप्रेस. आफ्टर द एक्सप्रेशन देर आर द अँटीबॉडी आर एक्सप्रेस टू द आउटसाइड ऑफ द सेल. मग आपण काय करणार, त्याला त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट अँटीजन त्या प्लेट्समध्ये इनॉक्युलेट करणार. We are growing this the organism onto the plate. In this after the plate growing, then we are adding the antigen against to that the antibody. त्याच्यामध्ये कोणती आपण अँटीबॉडी इन्सर्ट केली होती, IgG. ओके, मग त्याला आपण काय केलं, त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट अँटीबॉडी त्याच्यात टाकली. मीन्स वी आर सीइंग दॅट द ॲग्लुटिनेशन रिॲक्शन विथ दॅट द अँटीबॉडी अँड इट इज कन्फर्म दॅट द recombination of that the organism is the occur. It is also one type of the screening method, antigen antibody immunological test for their screening of the recombinants. Then to the another method is that the southern western analysis for the DNA binding protein, southern hybridization. Southern hybridization. We are already know that the in this the hybridization techniques we are designing the probes in artificially and it is combines to the target DNA and it is confirmed that the sequences it present into the that organism. Southern, northern and the western, these are the various important techniques in the molecular biology. Southern hybridization technique, it is especially using for the DNA identification, and the northern hybridization technique, it is using for the RNA detection, and the western it is using for the protein detection. The southern hybridization technique, it is using for the confirmation to that DNA it is bonded to that the probe. We are know that the probes we are designing the artificially and it is a known sequences we are known. We are adding into that this type of the organisms. Okay, एक organisms आहे आणि त्याचा DNA आपण आयसोलेट केलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला त्याचा सिक्वेन्स माहिती नाही आहे. मग आपण काय करतो, एखादं DNA आर्टिफिशियल प्रोब सिंथेसिस करतो इन लॅबोरेटरीमध्ये. म्हणजे त्याचा सिक्वेन्स आपल्याला माहिती आहे. मग ते सिक्वेन्स आपण काय करतो, त्याच्यात इंटरॅक्ट करतो, त्याला हायब्रिडायझेशन इन्व्हॉल्व करतो. देयर इज द पेअरिंग ऑफ दॅट द टू and that the some radioisotopes we are added into these the probes for their attraction, for their म्हणजे ते lights emits करतात like the isotopes works. So in this the results is that this type of that the organism produce the hybridization of the screening of recombinant. Suppose एक organism आहे, त्याच्यात आपण known sequenceचं काय केलं, त्याच्यात जीन इन्सर्ट केला आणि आपल्याला तो पाहायचा आहे की तो त्याच्यात म्हणजे रिकम्बाईन झाला की नाही. मग आपल्याकडं त्या सिक्वेन्सचं प्रोब असेल, मग आपण ते एखादा नायट्रोसेल्युलस, देर आर द टेक्निक्स फॉर द साऊदर्न हायब्रिडायझेशन, द नायट्रोसेल्युलस पेपर, देर आर द बफर, देर आर द वेरियस techniques are using. We are not discussing in detail in this the now lecture. We are only discussing that the probes we are designing, and these the probes are there complementary to that the inserted foreign DNA, and it is confirmation is that the screening of the recombinant into that the organisms. Okay, nucleic acid hybridization, it is another technique for the screening of the recombinant. Nucleic acid hybridization, nucleic acid hybridization. In this we are nucleic acid hybridization techniques we are already discussed in the southern hybridization techniques. There we are designing the artificially probe into the laboratory, then we are interact to the that target sequences. It means that we are designing the probes. आपण काय करणार, एखादा प्रोब असेल आपल्याकडं and we are know that the probe sequences. In this, suppose one organism, it is a recombinant. Okay, in this the recombinant sequences we are adding this the probe, and this the probe is binding. After the binding of the probes we are detecting in the autoradiography. In the autoradiography they are the designing the probe are the emitted the isotoping effect, and according to this the highlighting that that sequences it are present into the target organism, and it is a foraging DNA. It is also important technique for the screening of the recombinant. It is a in this the nucleic acid hybridization in which the probes are hybridized to the nucleic acid. In this the nucleic acid it depends upon DNA or the RNA. In the before study southern hybridization it is applied for only the DNA hybridization, but in nucleic acid hybridization any nucleic acid material like in the single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA, single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, it is depends upon only the nucleic acid, and it is hybridized to the probes. It is also important techniques for the screening of the recombinant. Another method is that the plus and minus screening. Plus and minus screening. Plus and minus screening, it is also important technique. It is a famous technique for the screening of the recombinant. How the procedure for the required for these techniques, so we are carefully understand the mRNA preparation from the gastrula. The first step is that the mRNA preparation from gastrula. Then cDNA in plasmid vector, clone cDNA clone library, stick on nitrocellulose fiber, stick on nitrocellulose fiber. काय करणार ह्या प्रोसेस मध्ये आपण प्लस अँड मायनस स्क्रीनिंग मध्ये द mRNA preparation from the gastrula. Firstly we are the preparing the mRNA from gastrula. Gastrula stage are in the eggs, so we are isolating the mRNA from the gastrula. Especially the example is that the frog, in this the frog egg, for the experiment purposes we are isolating the mRNA from the frog eggs in the gastrula stage. The cDNA is then to the cDNA in a plasmid vector. त्याच्यामध्ये कशामध्ये वेक्टर मध्ये कशामध्ये इन्सर्ट केलं टू प्रोड्यूस द एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी ऑफ दॅट द mRNA. देन द cDNA क्लोन लायब्ररी स्टिक ऑन अ नायट्रोसेल्युलोज फायबर. त्याच्यानंतर आपण जे क्लोन फॉर्म केलेले होते ते काय करणार आपण नायट्रोसेल्युलोज फायबर्स वर स्टिक करणार. Here we are see in this the next techniques, next procedures we are see in this. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला काय करणार ते स्टिक करायचे आहेत कशावर नायट्रोसेल्युलोजच्या पेपरवर. We are discussing the plus minus screening technology. It is a important technology. तो फर्स्ट प्लेट असणार आपली मास्टर प्लेट. नेक्स्ट प्लेट जी आहे ती नायट्रोसेल्युलोज DNA. त्याच्यानंतर जी लास्ट जी आहे नायट्रोसेल्युलोज DNA ती पण. So we are sticking on the 3 plates, then to the hybridize with the 32 phosphate cDNA from the egg mRNA, and the another plate is hybridized with the 32P cDNA from the gastrula mRNA. मग त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला याच्याला हायब्रिडाइज करायचं आहे. एक ला आपण करू फॉस्फरस 32 ने लेबलिंग केलेली आहे फ्रॉम द एग mRNA. एकाला हायब्रिडाइज करणार आहे आपण एग mRNA आणि अनदरला हायब्रिडाइज करणार आहे gastrula mRNA. We are hybridizing this the screened stick nitrocellulose fibrous cDNA. In this the first place hybridized with the egg mRNA and another plate is hybridized with the gastrula mRNA. After this the washing the autoradiography, it is observed that in this plate is observed the clone containing the sequence abundant both the egg and gastrula mRNA. म्हणजे ह्या प्लेट्स मध्ये काय असणार both gastrula and the mRNA असणार, but in this the gastrula mRNA it containing the more hybridization to the gastrula mRNA. Because of we are isolating the mRNA from the gastrula stages, it results is that we are the hybridizing probes, it is a more labeling to the gastrula mRNA. It is confirmed that the screening of that organisms are produce the mRNA from the that stages. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये काय होणार, जे गॅस्ट्रुला मधला आपण जे mRNA क्लोन केले होतं त्याच्यासोबत हायब्रिडायझेशन मोर होणार बिकॉज ऑफ, आणि त्याच्यातलं हायब्रिडायझेशन बिकॉज ऑफ द मोर, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द रिकॉम्बिनेशन आर द ऑकर. ओके, दिस ऑल्सो द वन टाइप ऑफ द प्लस मायनस screening technology for using the screening of recombinants. Another method for the screening is that the HRT. HRT. What is the full form of the HRT? The hybridized released translation. HRT and HRT both methods are the HRT एक आहे आणि HART. Another method is a HART. So HART is the hybrid arrested translation. The HRT and HART both methods enable to clone DNA to be correlated with the proteins which it encoded. The HRT and HART powerful method. It is also one of the important method. In these the mediums are using for their isolation purposes. याच्यामध्ये काय करतो आपण, याच्यात सेम प्रोसेस आहे लाईक द प्लस मायनस स्क्रीनिंग मेथड. इन दिस द मेथड ऑब्टेन द mRNA we are screening through the special medium HART, hybrid release translation factor, and the another is that the HART, hybrid arrested translation. Okay, in this the method to obtain the mRNA from the cell, then prepare the cDNA, then carry out the HRT to the screen the cDNA representing the particular mRNA and turn responsible to the particular protein. Use the identified, next step is that the use the identified the cDNA clone to prepare the probe for the isolation of the target gene. Firstly आपण काय करणार, obtain the mRNA from the cell, प्रिपेअर त्याचं काय करणार cDNA करून रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज एन्झाईमद्वारे त्याचं काय करणार आपण cDNA प्रिपेअर कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी DNA प्रिपेअर करणार. मग आफ्टर त्याचे स्क्रीनिंग करणार. कोणता मीडियम करणार, HRT मीडियम मध्ये हायब्रिड रिलीज ट्रान्सलेशन फॅक्टरच्या द्वारे त्याचं स्क्रीनिंग करणार. दॅट द पर्टिक्युलर mRNA इज टर्न रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द पर्टिक्युलर प्रोटीन. When this type of the mRNA produce the specific type of the protein. Use the identification of the complementary DNA clone to prepare the probe for the isolation of the target gene. So in this the specialization is that the HRT and the HART. Here in this the process we are using the medium for their isolation of the recombinant into that organism. So okay, so these are the some techniques for the screening of the recombinants. Okay, in this the today's lecture we are completed the screening of recombinant. In this the next lecture we are discussing the next point in the genetic engineering paper, that is a unit 2nd. Okay, thank you for watching this video.